Welcome to Into Nirvana Productions,
We're an Aussie couple living small and dreaming big in our Jayco motorhome.
alongside our 17-year-old cat, Moo.
Follow us, Into Nirvana.
Welcome back, Convoy. This video is a little bit different. We've decided to do a little review of our family cruise that we went on. The main bit of advice that we would give anyone considering a cruise is do it. It is so relaxing. It was so awesome to relax and do nothing. We didn't have to clean up after ourselves. We didn't have to travel in between locations or cook for a full week. And we were like, wow, this is the way to holiday. The cruise that we went on goes to Vanuatu, Mystery Island, Port Vila and Santo. During our trip, there was civil unrest in the region, which limited our stops to Vanuatu. But even with the heavy rain on arrival, our experience was unforgettable.
We got the ship in the background.
We have just arrived at the terminal to get on that ship there.
That big bongo of a ship.
Am I pointing at the ship? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, baby, we're going to Vanuatu.
Going on a cruise. We're going on a cruise.
The cultural tours and snorkeling in crystal clear waters. There's no shortage of adventure if you're after an experience like that or relaxation. We found a cute little bar, looked at the view and enjoyed the culture.
Oh, look at him.
Oh, they're cute! Good?
Very similar to Baggering.
Okay. Oh, yummy. Beautiful day. Lovely day. Oh, we can't see the rain. We're getting dragged. Hey, there's the boat. Behind us.
Down there, guys. We're going to hike it back there.
Go, somehow. Your phone's so wet. Got our umbrella.
Got a brolly.
Vanuatu themed.
We've just had some delicious Tusker Vanuatu local beer.
And we learned how to say thank you, which is
Biaka. Biaka.
yeah. We haven't mastered it yet. yeah.
Anyway, off we go.
Miyakar Musi.
Biaka. Musi. Thank you in Vanuatuan.
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 The official terminology. It's absolutely pouring.
Yeah.
Not sure if it's raining or not, but it is absolutely, we are drenched.
The umbrella's really not helping the sitch, but
Nah. It's better though, at least it's not in my eyeballs.
still a good time.
Yeah. Do we want to get more yummos?
Yeah, let's get some more snacky poos.
It's okay.
Right.
I danced through the markets and absolutely loved being there. To make the most of your cruise, here are our hot tips. 1. Pack a small bag with swimmers, sunscreen and essentials so you can dive straight into the fun while you're waiting for your luggage to be delivered to your room. 2. Bring a lanyard with you for your onboard pay card. This also doubles as your room key and it literally will not leave your neck for the entire trip. Lanyards are available on board, but if you already have one, take it with you and you don't have to buy one. 3. If you don't mind skipping the island tours or you've been there before, we recommend taking advantage of the quiet pools and the adults only area when most of the guests are off the ship. It's pure relaxation. Look at this. So it's really quiet on the boat now, so I decided to come enjoy it. Look at this. No one's in the pool. All the chairs are empty. Loving it. Loving it. Look at our beers. 4. Book in your restaurants in advance as they do fill up quickly if you're with a group. We also love the photo booth function for all the snaps. There's an app that they have now created which was really easy to download the photos, but just make sure that anything you want you buy before you get off, because once you're off the board you can't get them. There is a lot of photo opportunities, so get ready for that. You'll feel like a celebrity every 20 seconds. Someone's trying to take a professional photo of you. On board, the entertainment was great, with most of the shows and activities are in being included. However, some of them do require an extra payment, which we didn't know about, so it's good to know that. Also, it's a good idea to find out ahead of time what the dress-up nights are going to be. Before you go on the cruise, it sounds a bit lame, but when you're on it, it's so fun. So you're not going to want to miss out on the dress-up nights. If you can afford it, getting a room with a balcony is well worth it. We won't ever be getting a room without a balcony again because it was so peaceful just sitting out there looking over the endless ocean. And also you can sunbake out there, so you don't need to search around for a lounge chair if it's busy. And we could have breakfast out there. It was so beautiful. And we had champagne on the balcony. The balcony was absolutely 1,000,000% worth it. While we did have to pay a little bit extra for this, another thing that we did that we would recommend is getting breakfast delivered to your room and eating it in bed. If you're traveling with kids, they have heaps of activities for the kids, which is great, so you can actually relax. If you're not traveling with kids like us, then don't forget to check when the school holidays are on, because as cute as they are quite noisy. The P&O app does make it easy to stay connected with your friends on board, even though there's no internet, so you can use their sort of network. You can book activities on there and reserve tables. Housekeeping was really cute and lovely, and they added really adorable things like towel animals to our rooms, which I think is one of my favourite parts. It's a good idea to leave a tip when you leave for them. Oh, and a word of caution, don't forget to cash out your casino chips before disembarking. We found a couple of those in our bag when we got home, an expensive trinket. Whether you're an adventurer or a foodie or just craving a relaxing escape, a cruise is the way to go. We will be definitely booking another cruise, and we're so glad that we did it. Breathtaking views, exceptional service, endless activity, and quality time with the people that you're there with. It truly was the perfect getaway, and we loved it.
All over Red Rover.
Don't forget to snag yourself some duty free as well. I'd recommend doing that before the last day because it gets busy. We had such a great time. I'm going to book another cruise for my 40th birthday. It's because it's honestly the best way to holiday. I was thinking about how it's got a bit of a sort of a reputation for being an older person's activity. And it makes sense. I mean, older people have been alive longer and they know what they're doing. Highly, highly, highly recommend booking yourself a cruise with your friends or family or your loved one. It is so fun, guys. Anyway, that's it for this episode. We will be back to our normal van life vlog on our vlog playlist. You can see our episodes and binge them all there. But if you liked this, we can keep doing our overseas travel reviews as well, or experiences. Let us know in the comments what you like seeing or what you'd like to see more of or less of, because we absolutely love hearing from you. We're making these videos so that they're useful for you guys, so getting your feedback is really helpful. And the P&O line is now a part of the Carnival family, so bookings and itineraries can be made directly through the Carnival Cruises website. Thank you so much for watching and for joining us on our adventures. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. And don't forget to keep living small and dreaming big.